There's the refrigerator.
I think we'll hit the back before we even get to those. Yeah, we're bottom.
All right. The living room, naturally. The hammering is working downstairs, getting ready for the rumpus room. Floor still scraped. From the living room to the kitchen. Get the little closet there and the hole with the steps going up. Master bed, that bathroom, that piece for the tub didn't come yet. And the paper is up. Whirlpool tub. And you see junk outside. The crawl space downstairs, all that goes way deep. It's all cemented, so we're storing a lot of stuff there for the time being. This is downstairs. There's going to be the rumpus room. Insulated. Oh, it's South Jersey thing.
Well, they said it's on the edge of New York.
Trying to find out where the pipe came out of the ground.
Yeah, the problem why you don't have no water coming out? There was
They're digging.
footings. There are footing drains in there.
Stop a little bit of the leak.
They're blocked. They're cut off somewhere. Stop.
There are 3 pipes under this patio going straight back.
Yep.
Nothing ever came out of them.
Nothing came out of them.
No,
All right,
and
we're running.
I pushed a snake back there. They seem to be.
Water was backing up.
How's that sound?
See?
That's why they want the catchment.
You haven't put it back? No, not now. That's from the hose.
From the hose.
Place is closed by the way down.
Oh, we ended up at McDonald's.
We opened the pipe up on this corner here, and the water running right out of it. See? So they said, ha. So we were looking around out here for it.
What do you think?
I got them on tape now.
Is it underground?
Unless you want to run the solid pipe down.
Seepage?
Yeah. But it's no problem because
But it had no place to go.
had no place to go. And where the pipe, end of the pipe is out here, I have no idea.
Oh, Norm never told you for that?
Everything's in line. Oh yeah? Yeah.
And outlet is hot? Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
That's stove up there.
I'm taking this for the movers. This is the way they come down the hill. There's a front door there they can pull right up to the house. And then, if they want, they can take their truck down here. And the entrance is right beyond those steps.
One more.
We're on our way up to the house, but I just stopped by to get some pictures. This is the lake and it's all frozen over. So we do our fishing by the causeway there. Isn't it beautiful?
Say something.
We're on top of a hill. That's what I'm saying.
Mama, I said the way things are going, I'll be here. They'll be building the house when the snow's on the ground.
And you were right.
I was right.
Now, right where I'm pointing, that's our beach. I mean, that's where we live.
You can take a picture of that house up on the hill.
Maybe. That's the lake. All frozen, icy, and snowy. Okay, I got it. First snow on the new house. How that looks. Can't walk into the living room, they just varnish the floor. Last minute sweeps. That's the room downstairs. Look at how nice it looks. Oh, look at how nice all the lights, boy.
I had it tied into the main thing here the other day when I was working down here.
Doesn't work down here, the phone?
What?
The phone doesn't work down here?
Yeah, it will if you unplug it.
Oh.
Hey.
The porch. Put the smoke in, John.
Oh, was that one of the things?
Yes,
Bobby,
I filled
put the
it with
smoke in
water
it
before I
now.
did that, but I never emptied it.
Too much of it.
Frozen sour. It might still be liquid. Go on, let's get
Wait, alright. Sing jingle bells.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas!
Hey! Robbie, you got a message for Granny?
No, just Merry Christmas.
Okay. Johnny?
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Mikey?
Christmas. I hope that you have a nice Christmas.
Thank you. Mimi?
Merry Christmas, Granny. We can't wait till you come up in the spring.
Andrew? Bobby?
Happy Thanksgiving!
Grandpa?
We'll see you soon, Grandma.
Okay. Mikey, you want to tell a story? Any stories? No? Okay.
How about you? Did you have this running or did you just put it on standby
We're
now?
on standby.
Oh, okay.
I shut it off. Merry Christmas, Grandma. We miss you. Hope Santa Claus was good to you.
We wish you a
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Da 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 da. Wherever you are.
like the Adams Family.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Guess where we are? We're in Connecticut. There's a fireplace.